Hey guys and gals, welcome back here to Joe-95 Reviews, and today we're going to look at the Transformers The Last Knight Leader Class Megatron. Now this version I get this is a Leader Class one, not the Voyager Class, which I could not get the Voyager Class. There was too small of size, but never got a chance. I decided to get this Leader Class one. So here is the package. It's kind of large package. It's kind of very large package. I'm going to show it, compares it. Here's next, the Voyager class. It's kind of big sizes. So it says a premium edition. Down here, it's got a little picture of Megatron, the large ones. On the other side, it's got a little image of Megatron. Yes. On the back of the box, it's got a little, shows a little cool looking road mode and jet mode. The coolest part, it has max feature. I'll get into that in a second. Also, it has a little bio, because unlike the Leader class or unlike the Voyager class and Deluxe class, the Reeve says Megatron will never wavers in the quest to revive the civilizations that once in the threat this on the Cybertron. As he returned once again, the Decepticon will stop nothing until the fulfilled deviation of scams, dismisses all hope, and taking revenge on his ultimate nemesis, Optimus Prime. And shows the other figures available. There is Optimus Prime, the Leader Class. That kind of looks like my Leader Class Optimus from the Ace Extensions. So that's kind of interesting. So anyway, without further ado, let's get opens up out of it. We're going to take a quick break. We'll after this. Alright, we're back guys with Megatron Leader Class out of the package. Let's take a look at the surgery. He comes with a little instruction booklet, show you how to transform to the vehicle mode, to road mode. So now, in the third step, let's take a look at the Megatron's jet. He is more like some kind of futuristic jet. Looks like a cool looking one. Now, on his surgery, he comes with the sword. This looks really cool looking details on the sword. Just a great plastic. Little changes to this. He also can peg on his here, so my thumb has little peg holes. He also comes with a check this out. He has a string load. Comes with a 2 flamethrowers. This is pretty much used in the movie for when he gets flamed towards during he talks to Barricade. He also had peg holes like here or here. And like I said before, my only biggest problem I have is press it and trying to lock in. Doesn't work. Anyway, this one also has technical to his cannon. That was kind of silly. Now, problem is, I try and launch it. So that's pretty much. I do like the orange translucent plastic. It has an open cockpit, inside. He has an open cockpit. Anyway, enough for that. The transform to the Megatron pretty sick. And fortunately, you can see he just fell as well. So let's start the here. Close the lid. Trying to unpeg this here. Rotate around. Close the lid. Oh, it has a landing gear. Now let's start unpeg his. Trying to figure. Okay, so I unpeg it in. Sorry guys, I just get frustrating. So finally, if you have this unpeg. I'm going to break his ruined figure. That's the. There's the turn his head. Unpeg his. Let's unpeg here. Oh, I forgot. No, never mind. Yes. Alright, we're back, guys. Sorry about it. It took about transmission a minute. So here we have Megatron in his robot mode. Now, you can see my only problem is he's trying to get stand hit. Anyway, so here we have Megatron in his robot mode. He looks very accurate in the movie. Like I said, the last night, yeah, the movie sucks, but the toy is a cool one. And it's for a little size compared, but here is the next to the Atlas Drawing. Is a little bit taller. Was taller than this one. That was a little bit taller this waist. And speaking of, I do not have the last night the leader class. Here's what I have: the Age Extensions leader class Optimus. I mean, the Age Extensions leader class Optimus. His transformation is really easy, but the Megatron, the leader class, it's a hard as heck. That is the most frustration transformation I've ever seen. Now, enough of that, let's take a look. The head sculpt. The head sculpt looks menacing. He looks more like wears Skyrim's helmet. It looks more like Bionicles. It's got a little Septicon logo as print. Some of the details, some of the look of the back. So it has a big hollow shells. Looks like wings. His action feature on his stack, he has a switch. And oh, there we go. And he has Megatron's battle mask. It looks very cool looking. This one fits. My only thing is problem is the, as I said before, the cannon. He also has seizure. He has giant fusion cannons. He also added to his flank. He has a flamethrower. That is gotta be ridiculous one I've ever seen. Also, here's a fun fact. Or you add and put rocket. Or you, yeah. I seen a Boltmaker's review. He put added jetpack on the fling on his back to make it look like it's going. He also had hold to his sword. And here, he has hold a sword. That looks very nice surgery. That you can hold it in that one's. Oh yeah, and you can rotate. Nice. Now, as for articulation for the Megatron, he has head on a swivel head. And so his arms goes up and down, goes in and out that much. He has a bicep swivel. He has a bent elbow. It does have cool looking. Has wrist can rotate that much. And unfortunately, no waist articulations. He also has skirts, rubbers, thing. And his leg is forward and back, goes in and out that much. He has a ratchet joints. He has a thigh swivel for 60 degrees, then at the knee, and his ankle forward back side to side. So now, this is probably the cool looking leader class one. Cool looking leader class one. My only biggest complaint I have is the transformation. Like, oh my god, this is probably the most frustration transformations all time. So yeah. So there's my review of leader class. The rubber mode looks true accurate, but the transformation is hard, but the jet mode looks accurate we saw in the movie. And yeah. Like I said, the Transformers Launch Night, probably the most disappointing film of the year. So yeah, hopefully the Bumblebee spin-off film come out next year. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. What do you guys think about this leader class? What do you guys think about your thought about review of the Megatron? Let us know in the comment below. Be sure don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification buttons. And I hope you see you in the next review. So thanks for watching. Bye.